Welcome back to the Stack AI Academy course. This is Amir. Let's learn more about knowledge bases. In this video, we further explore knowledge bases. We're going to learn more about URLs, which is a really powerful node, allows you to get information from websites, similar to documents node. Whenever you upload information, it will store and index those information in a vector database, and it will help the LLM to get the most relevant information for every user question. So you can provide the URL right here. You have the option to scrape also subpages. You can re-scrape so the information gets updated on a daily or on a weekly basis. Let's explore its setting by clicking on the gear icon. So you can see there are a few options available. We can change the output format to chunks, pages, or docs. I'm going to leave it on chunks for this video. Top results. If you hover over every of these settings, you can see a little bit explanation popping up. So number of search results ranked by relevance. You can change the number of top results, max characters, the max number of characters sent to the LLM. You can also change it here. You can toggle on or off these advanced features, advanced Q&A. If you have multiple URLs, then you would need I would recommend to turn these features on. You can also change the embedding model, chunking algorithm to naive or sentence, chunk overlap, and the length of every chunk. You can also toggle on and off advanced data extraction, provide your OpenAI API key here, and API key. You can provide the API key here even though it's not necessary. And then you can just click on add. So the learning process, just like the documents node, is pending. It's gonna start and done. Okay, now all we need to do is give it the user question, give this one directly to the LLM, make sure to add variable in the prompt section. And then in instructions, I'm just going to add, you answer questions about our website. So if we go ahead and actually run a test now, I'm going to add an output node into the canvas, and I'm going to connect it to this node so we can see what the output of URL+Search looks individually. So if I go ahead here and just type what is the site about, and if I click run, and if I can turn off formatted as well, and okay, this is the output from URL+Search. Like we set it the output format to the pages. If you change it to chunks or docs, it will differ. See, based on your use case, you can choose the best one. And this is the actual output from the LLM. And one last point, you can of course add a lot of URLs in the URL+Search and maybe also advanced to check advanced scraping and query about the information on the websites. So let's wrap today's video up. We learned about URL+Search node under knowledge bases, which allow us to basically vectorize information from websites and answer questions from those information. We learned about its settings, and we learned how to run a test. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.